Okay, how are you guys? Today I will talk about and actually I will take a look on all markets, trying to identify new setups. After the non-farm payrolls, you can see here that non-farm employment change came in worse than expected, but better compared to the previous reporting period. Unemployment rate, it has dropped surprisingly from 3.6 to 3.5%. Average hourly earnings a 0.4% growth versus only 0.3 expected. So personally, I will talk about and I will take a look on all markets. Please take a look here. Silver, it has turned to the upside, guys, after registering only a false breakdown with great separation. I've talked about silver earlier today in that market, in that daily video analysis, and yeah, please take a look here. And but first of all, guys, don't forget to read the disclaimer. It's important to understand that trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Don't forget that Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. So please read it. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join the VIP groups, you can hit the link below this video. So if you want to know more about silver, personally, I've shared earlier that daily video analysis. I've talked about this scenario. I've talked about the lower medium line as a dynamic support. I've talked about the 23.389 S2, and I've said that maybe poor US economic data, and in our case, yeah, mixed economic data, but the non-farm employment change, yeah, it seems that it has forced, let's take a look also on the dollar index. It has forced the dollar index to come back down, as I've said earlier today, after escaping from this channel here. One moment. That's why, guys, it's really important to watch all my videos, to comment right below my videos, to share them, yeah, because you will find great, you will understand, first of all, how to read the markets, yeah, how to read the market, and you will maybe identify great opportunities for you, yeah, even if maybe personally I'm not placing a trade or something like this, you can find great opportunities. So so I will talk about first of all, as I've said, yen basket, yen basket, because right now, guys, only because maybe I will delete my my pitchfork here, only because the DXY crashed, the US dollar depreciated, maybe the Japanese yen could appreciate versus rivals, okay, and you can see here that the yen basket moved sideways, escaped from this new bullish pattern like this one here. Sideways movement, this false breakdown with great separation, here below the immediate lows, signaled upside pressure, and a new higher high could signal potential further growth in the short term, okay, and further growth here should force the Japanese yen to appreciate versus its rivals. Let's take a look. Sorry, I will start with my with Euro Japanese yen, because I still have this trade for the VIP group. Okay, I still have this trade for the VIP group. Temporary rebound, but my position is still yeah, in good profit here. One moment. Yeah, 91 or 100, no, 95, 96 pips in profit here in Euro Japanese yen, and you can see here that the price reached my medium line here. Yeah, you can see once again how important it is, are these these levels, the medium line, the lower medium line, the upper medium line, and right now only false breakdowns, test retest. Personally, I'm still keeping this trade for now, because my stop loss is at break even, and I will let it ride. You can one moment, you can see my trade also here in my real account, yeah, here a real account, 94-95 pips in profit on this market. And my pending order, I'm still keeping also my pending order in US oil. The price failed to hit my entry, but I'm still keeping my I'm still holding, actually I'm still keeping that that pending order as well, and I will come back with an update if I will delete it or if I will still keep it. But right now, only because let's take a look, US oil, only because the US dollar depreciated versus rivals. US oil jumped higher, registered only a false breakdown maybe below the immediate lows, and below the immediate low here it has failed to make a new lower low. But let's wait, because maybe personally, I will talk about the thought process here as well. I don't have the setup here on US oil on trading view, only because personally I've sent the levels from MetaTrader 5, from my trading platform, because the price could be different when trading the US oil. The price could be different at different brokerage companies. But this is the thought process, guys. Actually, let's invite more members. One moment. Okay. On what setup your stop loss position is so far, so cannot take your trades on VIP. Okay. Okay. So US oil, guys, for the VIP members, personally I've sent no, Muhammad, no, my US oil failed to hit the entry, but as I've said, I'm still keeping that pending order. Okay. So after this massive sell-off, it has reached this demand zone, a new upwards movement, and right now it has reached this supply zone. Okay, supply zone, and as long as it stays below this former high 82.39, and developing a bearish pattern here, a new lower low could activate a potential sell-off. But right now I've told you guys that DXY is sell-off, forced also USD CAD, let's take a look, to drop. Okay, this sell-off here on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar forced the US oil to stay higher, and that's why, and if my scenario here will be invalidated on US oil, personally I will come back with my update into the VIP group, because this was only a VIP trade. That's why I'm not showing the setup here. Personally, I took that, actually I placed that pending order and that trade using my levels from MetaTrader 4, from 8cap, my brokerage company here at Learn to Trade. And I'm still waiting, because as long as it stays, as I've said, below that former higher high, and being rejected by this supply zone, a new lower low could activate a potential downside movement. So I'm still keeping that pending order, but right now it's far from being confirmed. Yeah, euro Japanese yen. This is the thing, guys. I will keep it. I will keep this this trade. Yesterday, guys. That's why yesterday I wanted to manage my position here. This was my trade on British pound Japanese yen, and after escaping from this minor flag pattern, a sell-off, rebound. Okay, that's why I've said yesterday that I want to manage my position here. I believe that I've made a good profit here, 139 pips profit here on this market, something like this. Yeah, after reaching this this zone here, something like this. I've managed my my position right before the BOE, Bank of England. Okay, right before the BOE. You can see here that the official bank rate was increased by 25 basis points as expected, but yeah, we had this rebound. We had this strong rebound, and personally I didn't want it the market to turn against me. That's why I wanted to close this this position here and to keep only euro Japanese yen, okay, and to let it ride. Yeah, this is my opinion. And right now, as I've said when I've talked about the Japanese yen basket, I'm still keeping that that trade, that short, that Japanese yen long. Also here, after what happened here, sideways movement after escaping from this pattern, from this flag pattern, this candle here could signal a potential upside movement, upside continuation in the short term here. So right now I'm keeping my my trade on the Japanese yen. Let's go and let's talk about the DXY, and let's take a look on the US dollar. If you have questions, guys, right now US dollar reached this demand zone on 15 minutes. That's why right now, no, I don't want to do anything here on the US dollar because it's too late. Let's take a look here. Okay, strong rally. No, I don't want to do anything here on Euro USD because yeah, I would like maybe to see a retreat and only then to look for longs. Only because after this massive sell-off, the DXY maybe could rebound and only then to extend its sell-off. This is my scenario on the US dollar. I don't want to sell at market the US dollar. Actually, yeah, also please take a look here, British pound US dollar. Yeah, I've talked about this one yesterday after this massive sell-off. Only a false breakdown and great separation here, a pin bar, which it was confirmed, and boom. Okay, that's why, guys, it's really important to watch my videos, to share them on the social media or with your friends, or to you can find maybe opportunities. This is my opinion. This was my opinion, but please take a look. Yeah, this scenario took shape. Yeah. And but right now, no, I don't want to do anything here. It's too late to go long. We had an opportunity yesterday. We had an opportunity yesterday on this market, US dollar versus Japanese yen. Yeah, it drops only because the DXY crashed. The DXY crashed, and no. I don't want to sell at market because it could only hit this zone. It could rebound here. So when I don't have a high probability setup with a really good risk to reward ratio, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to place a trade. But I really hope that I will have a great opportunity today here to place a trade for you guys, for the VIPs, and yeah, I will share it also with the free group. USD CAD. Yeah, personally I've had, if you remember, guys, I've had but I don't have it anymore here. No, I've had a really good setup here. Okay, after reaching this zone, I've catched this this rally, but unfortunately the price turned it to the downside, and I believe that my stop loss was at break even around this this level, okay, because here it was I don't know, I've had my entry around this level, something like this, okay. After this sell-off, I've had my entry here, and yeah, massive sell-off, but it has reached only this demand zone, if you remember, guys. And yeah, the initial stop loss was here, guys, was below this demand zone, below this former low, and it would have been really great. It would have reached my take profit. I don't know if you remember, but I've had this setup also when I've had the US dollar versus the Swiss franc as well, right? And yeah, I didn't wanted to manage my position here. I was in good profit, yeah, from here to here, but personally I've expected an upside continuation after taking the immediate highs, but unfortunately this is the thing, it has closed at break even, but it would have been really great. Yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar for the VIP group. Yeah, right now a false breakout with great separation through this this former high. I will keep an eye on this market because maybe I will have a selling opportunity. But right now, as long as it stays above the immediate lows here, this could represent only a temporary drop towards this zone before jumping higher. So no, I don't want to sell it right now. I need confirmation. Maybe here on daily, yeah. I would like to see here maybe a new lower low, retest, and then sell off. Okay, this is my opinion here, US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Any idea about British pound, US dollar? I've talked about this market, and right now, no, I don't have anything on this market. It's too late. Maybe I'll look for shorts here or here or here. Right now it's too late to go long. Okay, this is my opinion. Okay, also US dollar versus the Swiss franc. You can see here that yeah, let's take a look. No, I don't have that setup, but personally I've catched this upwards movement. Okay, this upwards movement, I've made a really good profit for the VIPs here, and personally I've closed my position after this. Now here guys, I believe that yeah, I believe that I closed my position here before this sell-off, retreat, rally. Yeah, it has reached this former high 0.8792, and then it has turned to the downside. So it was good to close it here after this accumulation consolidation rally. It has reached this inside sliding line as a dynamic resistance, sell-off, a new false breakout, retest, and then sell-off. So yeah, it was a good decision to take profit on US dollar versus the Swiss franc. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Yeah, it has turned to the upside, and personally I would like to see a temporary retreat, maybe also here. It has reached this demand zone. Yeah, what a miss. Yeah, we've missed it seems that we've missed an opportunity maybe here, but don't forget that only the fundamentals forced the price to turn to the upside. And after this amazing rally, and after reaching maybe this immediate supply, I would like to see a retreat before jumping higher, and I will look maybe for potential longs. So right now, guys, I'm looking for US dollar shorts. Okay, for US dollar shorts. After worse than expected non-farm payrolls. Yeah, something like this. But I would like to see a retreat in the short term. Yeah, maybe we've missed something, maybe a pending order, but yeah. Also here. But here it has failed to hit this demand zone on the 4 hours, so maybe only New Zealand dollar, US dollar. US dollar, Singapore dollar. Let's take a look. US dollar, Singapore dollar, bad support here, my medium line. My medium line of the ascending pitchfork. If it stays above the medium line, maybe I will look for potential longs. I don't know. But it depends if I will have a high probability trade. Gold, yeah, I will take a look on gold as well. Yes, or South African rand. Only making a new lower low could activate a potential larger downside movement. Right now, no, I don't want to do anything on this market. No. On this market. Because if it stays here, test, retest, false breakdowns, and the bullish pattern could signal a potential new rebound. Of course, if the dollar index will bounce back after its massive sell-off. US dollar, Mexican peso. Yeah, an amazing rally here on this market, guys. Yeah, if you remember, personally, I was long also here. I've catched this rebound here. Yeah, this rebound before this this sell-off. Yeah, sell-off after reaching the supply zone. But right now it is too late to go short. I will look for longs, or I will look for shorts if it reaches this zone again, or I will look for longs if it reaches the demand zones. Right now, no, I don't want to do anything. Gold. Yeah. Let's take a look. Yeah, maybe I would like the price to come back down here to reach this zone, and then boom. Okay, sideways movement. Sideways movement, guys. This pin bar, false breakdown, great separation, amazing rally after the economic data, and yeah, personally, I would like to see something like this. Okay, the price to come back down to retest this zone, and then to extend its growth. Okay, in the short term. This is my opinion about gold. Okay, because I don't want to buy it here, because it could only reach this zone and then it could turn to the downside. That's why I would like maybe the price to come back to retest the demand zone, and to look for a potential long from here. Okay, to catch a larger growth in the short term. Silver, I talked about silver, guys. And also here in silver, okay, false breakdown and great separation, which it could be confirmed. But personally, I would still want to see maybe a retest before going long. I would like to see a temporary retreat or lower time frames. The price of silver to come back to retest maybe the new border block demand zone before developing an upwards movement. Okay. US oil. US oil is still my pending order is still valid. Okay, into the VIP group. And if you are not a VIP member, you can hit the link below this video. If you want to join the VIP group, you can still catch this setup or trade. Right now, pending order, but yeah, it could hit my entry soon. If you have questions, guys, because a potential rebound here on the dollar index could bring us US dollar shorts. It could come back to retest the broken lower medium line here. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. After failing to stay below the downtrend line or to extend its sell-off, it has escaped from this pattern, from this flag pattern, from this channel. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Yeah. breakout. This retreat was natural, but right now it has confirmed its breakout, and it could try to come back higher, at least towards the former high, at least towards this supply zone. And maybe personally I'm looking for longs on Bitcoin. Maybe I'm looking for potential. Also here, guys, it has failed to stay above Ethereum. It has failed to stay above the medium line. It has failed to stay above the medium line.